Our top story, Nitin Gadkari's announcement that he will be contesting his first Lok Sabha elections in 2014 has come amidst reports that the RSS backs the BJP party president as their candidate for Prime Ministership. But speaking to NDTV in his hometown of Nagpur, Gadkari says there's no question of him being a contender for the Prime Minister. He says he has ruled himself out of the race even if the BJP or the RSS asks him to take on the mantle. Interestingly, when asked how he saw LK Advani's refusal to rule himself out of the race, Mr. Gadkari said he wouldn't like to comment on LK Advani's statement.
Even last time when I met you, you said, I am not a prime ministerial candidate. But yet, despite your saying I am not a contender, many people believe that now that you're going to contest an election, you are one of the contenders. Many people also believe that the RSS backs you of all of the leaders in the BJP. Now, how can you, Gadkari Saab, in 2011, rule yourself out as a prime ministerial candidate for 2014?
First of all, unnecessary, the perception and ground reality, there is a difference. First of all, in my whole life, I am inspired and motivated by Vidyarthi Parishad. I never be a well-known worker of RSS, but I am related with RSS. But as far as my selection for presidentship is not for the RSS. It is the clear fact.
So are you ruling out yourself as a prime ministerial candidate? Are you ruling yourself out कि आप कह रहे हैं मैं contender नहीं हूँ? दो अलग बातें हैं.
I am ruling out. You take it, whatever you want to take it. I am very much clear about it. Neither directly, indirectly. I don't want to become a candidate for prime ministership.
And if the party asks you to be? If the party asks
me, I am not interested.
So you are categorically ruling it out?
I am categorically decide. I am not a politician like other people. I am decided in my life. Always I think about my conviction, my ideology. I am not going to bother what people feel about it, what media feel about it. I am a very common, mediocre worker of the party. To get me a presidentship is great award. I am happy, so I am satisfied. My duty is, and my party needs the leadership who is committed for the party and ideology, at the same time which is very capable for running political scenario also. So my duty is to see that how my party will get more than 200 seats in the parliament.
So if the party or the RSS, hypothetically, says Gadkari Saab, you are our prime ministerial candidate choice, आप मना कर देंगे?
Well, first of all, neither RSS, neither party, they never anyone say about it. And first of all, Barkhaji, I want to clear it. Either people in the party or out of the party, they feel that I am a candidate. I am not at all interested. I don't want to become a prime minister candidate. I don't want to create more problems. No confusion. Very clear thought that I want to work for the party. My challenge, my task is how to get more than 200 seats in the parliament. And united BJP, united party with all respectable leadership to achieve this goal. This is my mission. I am committed for that. I have a very clear idea about it. I am not talking politically. I am talking from my core.
But you're the only BJP leader who is making such a clear statement. Because, for example, when I interviewed Mr. Advani, he said, I am not a contender, but I don't feel any need to rule myself out. I don't feel any need to make a public statement saying I'm not in the race. It's up to the party to decide. And in 2009 also the party asked me to be a candidate. Now we'll see what the party decides. He's not ruling himself out, but you are ruling yourself out.
First of all, I am ruling about my possibility. But as far as Advani is concerned, he is a senior leader. And 2009 party has selected him as a prime minister candidate. And again, for the next future, party will think about it.
What did you feel about that comment of his that he was not ruling himself out?
Advani and Atalji are the great leader of the party. They inspired and motivate the thousands of lakhs of workers. I don't want to make any comments on Advani's statement. I feel him as a very, very respectable guide and philosopher of the party.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.